Assalamualaikum Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Afifah Rohayana. I'm from Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economy, Jakarta State University. I want to explain my thesis about the influence of entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, and self-efficacy on the entrepreneurial interest of students at SMKN 51 Jakarta. And then this is a table of content. First is introduction, literature review, research methodology, discussion, and closing. Chapter 1, introducing. Background. High employment rates have long been a problem in Indonesia. The country has been trying to address the issue year after year, but remains difficult to solve. According to data on the Open Employment Rate (TPT) by Buchness Indonesia, Vocational High School still contribute the highest percentage with over 9% of their graduate permanent employment. Background. To assess the actual interest in entrepreneurship at SMKN 51 Jakarta, the research conducted a preliminary study by distributing a questionnaire regarding the postgraduate plans of SMK 51 Jakarta. And then the result, the employment rate, entrepreneurship development measure can be taken to increase the interest of SMK students in entrepreneurship by cultivating entrepreneurial interest. And the school entrepreneurship curriculum motivates students to become entrepreneurship by ISMA 2021. The low interest in entrepreneurship is largely influenced by the students' low achievement motivation as individuals who develop a mentality with high value tend to have low entrepreneurial interest. This is Nabila and Yunisa, 2022. And these have several studies that have been conducted on effort to improve entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, and self-efficacy as variable influence entrepreneurship. And therefore, based on the problem description and research gap, the researcher is interested in considering this study explicitly on students as SMKN University Jakarta. Problem formulas, there is 4. First is their influence entrepreneurial knowledge on my entrepreneurial interest. Second, influence of achievement motivation on entrepreneurial interest. 3, self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interest. And the last is influence the entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, and self-efficacy on the entrepreneurial interest. And then there's a for purpose too. For research objective, first is influence of entrepreneurial knowledge on entrepreneurial interests, achievement motivation, self-efficacy, and entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, and self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interests. And there's a research benefit. There is a theoretical and practical. Theoretical achievement of understanding regarding entrepreneurship knowledge. Practical for research, this study referred to their insight. For SMK 51 Jakarta, this research is expected to serve an evaluation. For university, its research serve as input, reference, insight, and for reader, this research can be helpful search to expand their insight. Chapter 2 is research review. There is a supporting. There is a theoretical plan of behavior, and Isaac Azen said the theory that starts in relationship, self-dependency, and personal influence and individual behavior intends to an action. And then this is entrepreneurial knowledge by Mutaharo Sucipto and Rahana said entrepreneurial knowledge is everything known by an individual about relationships, including knowledge for ideas. And then achievement motivation, there is McClellan theory. McClellan achievement motivation theories focus on 3 forms of needs. First is the need for achievement, 2, the need for power, and 3, the need for evaluation. Self-efficacy. Muhtaram, Nabila, and Pronisi said too, self-efficacy is about an individual ability and belief in themselves to carry out activities and responsibilities in undertaking an effort. And then for the research from Nabila Sana, Ubaidillah, Anang Mahmudin, and then Nancy and Kurniawan. And then this is theory framework. The influence of entrepreneurial knowledge on entrepreneurial interests show that entrepreneurial knowledge has a positive and significant effect on entrepreneurial interests and influence the achievement. Set indicates that achievement motivation has a positive and significant effect on the entrepreneurial interests. And then there is a influence self-efficacy and show that self-efficacy influence entrepreneurial interest and less influence entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, and self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interests. There is a research constellation. There is a four hypotheses. Entrepreneurial knowledge has direct effect, achievement motivation, self-efficacy, and entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, and self-efficacy. There is a chapter 3, the research and methodology, starts from December 2023. Research plan is SMK 51 Jakarta. Research desainnya quantitative with survey method and with collect primary data, data collecting technique, distribution of questionnaires utilizing primary data and Likert scalar model. And then this is population 3 to 4 and sample is 118. This is instrument development by concept, operational, and indicator. This instrument development entrepreneurial knowledge, except to concept, operational, indicator. And then this is achievement motivation, concept, operational, and indicator 2. And self-efficacy, concept, operational, and indicator. Validity test. To consider validity test, you will use SPSS 29, preferred person correlation, and then significant level 500. Variability test is SPSS 29, range alpha, and primary instrument is tested in 30 respondents. Validity test. First, entrepreneurial interest has 15 items, of which is 11 items are deemed valid, and entrepreneurial knowledge has 15 items, of which 10 items are deemed valid. Achievement motivation has 20 items, of which 14 items are deemed valid. Self-efficacy has 15 items, of which 9 items are deemed valid. And then this is a reliability test. Entrepreneurial interest has a total of 0.77, which is greater than 0.660, so it can be considered relevant. Entrepreneurial knowledge has a total as 0.62, which is greater than 0.6. Achievement motivation has a total of 0.78, which is greater than 0.16, so it can be considered relevant. Self-efficacy has a total of 0.66, which is greater than 0.60. And data analysis technique. First is descriptive statistic analysis frequent test. There is a normality test, linearity test, S3 multi regression analysis, hypothesis testing. There is a t-test and f-test. The last is confidence coefficient of determination test. Chapter 4, Research and Discussion. This is a table of respondent profile. There is a class, frequency, and presentation. And 118. And this is a female. The 7 to 0 percent, and male is 2000. Male is 27 or 8%. This is a descriptive data of entrepreneurial interest. Frequent, there is a N 118, range 44, minimum 11, maximum 55. Sum is 7373. Mean is 14,096. The STD deviation is 8337, and variance is 69512. There is a still describe data of entrepreneurial interest. There is a diagram, average, calculate, indicator, and score. Descriptive data of entrepreneurship knowledge. There is a descriptive statistics and still range 13, minimum 79, maximum 92, and some 15466, mean 85, and standard deviation 1987. There is a frequency distributor of achievement motivation. There is a descriptive data of achievement motivation. There is a frequency distribution of self-efficacy. This is average calculus indicator score. And this is analysis requirement test. Normality test, the significant value of entrepreneur interest, self-efficacy, accomplishment, motivation, and entrepreneur knowledge is 0 to 00 as determined by Kolmogorov-Smirnov normality test calculation. In order to conclude that the data for the four variables are normally distributed, the value of 0 to 00 more than 0.05 must be met. Analysis requirement test, linearity test. Indicate the value of definition from linearity is x1 to y division of from linearity 0, 1, x3 more than 0.05, x2 to y a definition from linearity 0.089, and x3 to y is 0.060. Multiple regression. The value of independent interest is 7952 if accomplishment, motivation, self-efficacy, and entrepreneurial knowledge are all taken into account as concepts. Mean 0.082 is the value of entrepreneurial knowledge coefficient. This number can be understood to indicate that the value of entrepreneurial knowledge will fall by 0, 0, 8, 2. If the entrepreneurial knowledge variable grows by 1 unit while maintaining the same value for the other variable, the value of achievement motivation is 0, 0.93. The number may indicate that if all other factor concern and the accomplishment motivation variable increase by 1 unit, then achievement motivation will increase by 0.093. The value of efficacy is 1066 with the other variable value being constant. This value can indicate that self-efficacy will improve by 1. This is a hypothesis test, F test. Is F count more than F table? F count 213074 and F table 266. According the components findings, 266 is the table value as a certificate of level of 5% or 0.05. If the DF value is 177, the entrepreneurial knowledge, accomplishment motivation can be this self-verification variable currently to component below which describes the FW findings. Therefore, it can set variable entrepreneur interest positive and significantly impact by the combination of entrepreneurial knowledge. And this is a t-test x1 is minus 0.547, x2 2405, 6 x3 24650. Their coefficient of determination analysis that R square or R2 is 18 is 78 or 0.78. The findings suggest that self-efficacy, accomplishment motivation, and entrepreneurial knowledge join count for 78% of the variance with only the factor influence that remaining. Just a discussion. H1, the effect on entrepreneurial knowledge on entrepreneurial invention. The results show that entrepreneurial knowledge has no effect on entrepreneurial interest. This research is aligned with research educated by Agus Miati and Wahyudin and Krisnawati. H2, effect of achievement motivation on entrepreneurial interest. The research show that achievement motivation has a positive effect on entrepreneurial interest. This research is in line with research conducted by Febrianuardi and Kurniawan. H3, effect of application on entrepreneurial intention. The research show that self-efficacy has a positive effect on entrepreneurial interest. This research is in line with research conducted by Purwaningsih and Wulandari. H4, the influence of entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, and self-efficacy on interest price. The research showed that entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, self-efficacy has a positive effect together on entrepreneurial interest. This research is in line with research conducted by Nabila and Musima. Chapter 5, Closing. Concludes. There is no influence between entrepreneurial knowledge on entrepreneurial interest at students of SMK 51 Jakarta. There is a positive, significant, direct influence between achievement motivation and self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interest, students of SMK 51 Jakarta. And then the last, there is a positive and significant influence together between entrepreneurial knowledge, achievement motivation, and self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interest of students of SMK 51 Jakarta. Implication. Entrepreneurial interest in the variable interest in entrepreneurship show that the loss present in innovate indicator and entrepreneurial knowledge is entrepreneurial knowledge Variable show that the loss percentage is in a business opportunity analysis indicator. Achievement motivation. Uh, it show that the loss percentage is in a high award spirit indicator. And application variable show that the lowest percentage is HR leadership indicator. Thank you.